I'm Adam Burns, a product specialist here at Logitech, and I want to help you set up your new camera. With that, let's get started. Plug your camera into your computer. No software is required. Now, let's make sure everything is working. Go to Applications and open FaceTime. Under Video, choose the Logitech camera and now let's make sure to set your audio device. Most Logitech cameras come with a built-in microphone. Set the system microphone, go to System Preferences, click on Sound, and then choose the camera from the list. Congratulations, you have your camera up and running. For more on how to use video conferencing platforms along with tips and tricks and fun effects you can do, check out my other videos. This has been a Logitech Pants Optional production.